Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make this amazing PowerPoint text effect. So insert your images, go to form a background, picture text to fill, on clipboard your image. Go to insert tab on shapes, and from there you're gonna insert a text box in which you're gonna add your text, increase its size, change its font. Next, you're gonna select it and adjust it into the middle and the center of the template. Let's align it. Select it, change its color to white. Insert a rectangle that covers the entire slide. Change its color to black, increase its transparency, and send it to the back and send the text to the front. There you go. Duplicate the template and you're gonna duplicate the text, place it upwards, select both the text, go to shape format and subtract them. Now you're gonna give it slide background fill. Duplicate this template and add a new template. Insert your image. You're gonna add another text box. You're gonna insert a huge rectangle that covers the entire template. Send it to the back, change its color to black, increase its transparency, and align the text into the middle and the center of the slide. Select the text, copy it, change it. For the second slide, we're gonna change the text and we're gonna paste it. Something like this. And we're gonna give it slide background fill. And let's copy our next image. And we're gonna add another new slide in which we're gonna insert a background picture, insert a rectangle, and give it a black fill. Increase its transparency. Copy the text and paste it from previous templates. And change the text. Copy it and paste it. Select both the text. Go to merge and subtract them. Align it into the middle and the center of the slide. Give it slide background fill. Now let's increase the rectangle size that it goes out of the template. Let's give it some shadow, increase its size, and there you go. Give it lines animation from bottom to top. There you go. Adjust the arrows and let's change the timing. Go to animation panel and give it smooth animation. You're gonna press with previous. So that is how our animation is given. We're gonna repeat the process for the other templates as well. And there you go, you can change the direction of the rectangle that enters the template as well. So let's give animation to this template as well. And let's increase the timing. So that was all for today in this video. If you like the video, be sure to hit the bell icon and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to comment down to let us know about your opinions. Meet you in another video with amazing stuff.